Hi, it's Kerry. Get ready to have some fun today. The giraffe. For giraffes, drinking is one of the most dangerous times as it cannot keep an eye out for predators and is vulnerable to attack. Give a thumbs up if you like wild animals, and can you tell me how many snakes are in today's video? Please subscribe. I'm still trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. There's a fun ending today. The hippopotamus is the third largest land animal after the elephant and white rhinoceros. They are found in Africa. It is a large, thick-skinned, semi-aquatic African mammal. This is a white crocodile baby. White is unusual and they have problems with camouflage, although in the water they would be fine. The marabou stork is most noticeable due to its long white legs. They stand an average of 3.19 meters or 10.5 feet tall. Africa is their native home. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, reaching speeds up to 120 kilometers or 75 miles per hour in short bursts. The cheetah is well built for speed. Veshti, the hippo, one of the most popular animals. He has a kind heart and is a very good friend of Kian. Mowgli's taking a ride on him. The brown snake rates number 2 on the world's most venomous snake list. It is found in Australia, in the inner grasslands and arid scrublands. Keep away from it. The warthog have large flat heads that are covered in warts, which are actually protective bumps. They also have 4 sharp tusks. Zebras are members of the horse family. They make a loud barking or braying sound. The American bison. They are the heaviest land animals in North America. They can grow to 6.5 feet or 2 meters tall at the shoulder and can weigh over a ton. Let's move the rock a bit closer. We've got some more animals coming. And here is Bagheera, keeping his eye on everything. And here's King Louie. We'll get a better look at him in a moment. That's better. The black panther. Black panthers are great swimmers and climb trees with ease, often pouncing on prey from a tree and taking it down with a single bite to the neck. I'm going to move my cheetah so we can see it better. The green snake likes to live in the grass where it is well camouflaged. It's got a special little rock here to hide under. The spoonbill. They are a group of large, long-legged wading birds, which also includes the ibises. It has a distinctive broad-shaped bill. The black bear. Black bears are North America's most familiar and common bear. They typically live in forests and are excellent tree climbers, but are also found in the mountains and near swamps. Baloo, such a friendly, good-natured bear. He tells me he's very tired and needs his sleep. Let's see what happens. Tigers like to live in swamps, grasslands and rainforests. A tiger's habitat would include trees, bushes and clumps of tall grasses. The jaguar. They enjoy the water and are quite good swimmers and can catch fish and turtles and caimans. The Indian rhinoceros has a segmented hide which looks like a coat of body armor. It only has one nose horn. The desert tortoise can survive in areas where temperature of the ground reaches 60 degrees Celsius. The wolf. Wolves are known for their spine-tingling howl, which they use to communicate. A lone wolf howls to attract the attention of his pack, while communal howls may send territorial messages from one pack to another. The African elephant. Both male and female African elephants have forward curving tusks. And here's trouble. It's Shere Khan, always on the lookout for trouble. He's going to hide in that little cave down there. He's very sneaky. The chimpanzee. They like to groom each other by pulling bugs and leaves out of each other's fur. The gibbon. They live in the rainforests of southern Asia. They have strong hook-shaped hands for grasping branches and extremely long arms and long powerful legs for moving and grasping. Another chimpanzee. He's going to do one of his tricks here and hang upside down. The albino gorilla. The most famous one was called Snowflake and lived in Barcelona Zoo. The lion. They are strong and quick animals for their size, and they are excellent hunters and can be extremely dangerous. And here's Kaa, the python from Jungle Book. We'll hide her down the back there. If you would like more information about all these animals, I've put another clip at the end, and I'll also feature the video that you will get the information from. Thank you. And one more, the European badger. They are part of the same family as otters, ferrets, polecats, weasels and wolverines. They are fantastic diggers and ferocious hunters. Remember to tell me how many snakes in today's video. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more great videos. See you again soon. This is a clip from the video that has a lot more information about the animals and a lot more animals. I'm going to show you the fun ending from this one as well. It's really good. Now we're back to our original video and another fun ending. I love that big bear. on that colourful super fun reviews button to subscribe, or just click on any video you want to watch, and you'll also see the video that has a lot more information about the animals as well. I recommend that one.